came to the Mega Mind वो 2.0 वाला जो भी गए थे हम आईसेक्स वाला इंदौर वाला वहां पे यू सेड वन थिंग कि हमको बिजनेस नहीं बनाना हमको एम्पायर बनाना राइट हमको एंड में बॉटल नेक कर देना सब कुछ के कोई आगे जा ही नहीं अब ये मेरे माइंड में है ठीक है मैं आज नहीं कर रही कल नहीं कर रही परसों करूंगी
हम्म,
राइट
हम्म।
माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया ना अब मैं बिजनेस बनाने पे फोकस नहीं करती अब मैं फोकस करती हूँ मुझे एम्पायर बनाना
Hi guys, welcome to another case study of iSex, and in this case study, we're going to talk about how someone was able to add an additional revenue of 2 lakh rupees in just 3 months into their business by not using just one pillar but two pillars, that is coaching and agency both. And this time we have Prakriti Madan with us, who has been able to help people with their social media, help to grow them with the agency part and as well as the coaching part. So we have Prakriti with us, and let's start with the case study. Before we move on, Prakriti, can you give a outlook of what you do? And like just a basic intro about yourself.
Right, right. Hi everyone. I am Prakriti. I am an Instagram coach and I help coaches, freelancers, creators, businesses to grow on Instagram by building their personal brands. Apart from them, on the agency part, I help with 360-degree Instagram management. So yeah, that's that.
Lovely, lovely. And why did you choose this business and not any other business in the world?
I was in social media. I actually stumbled upon social media uh, 5 years ago,
Okay.
and I felt like this was something I had to do. And plus, I'm a little lazy, so I felt इसके लिए कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ता कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता एक जगह बैठ के
Yeah.
at the comfort of my home at my wherever I want to be I can do everything I can run a whole business out of it.
Makes sense. Makes sense. What was your first impression about IC or me? I don't know which thing you saw first. It was the company or me. But what was your first impression about that?
So I was anyway looking for a coach. Frankly, I was looking for a coach, and it was more like it wasn't like I did not know what to do. But you don't take another step because you're scared. Will you fail? What will happen? And I am a bit of an overthinker. So I get everything that stops me is only my head, nothing
Hmm,
else.
hmm,
So I wanted to put the right steps ahead. So when I saw ISEX first, I got introduced to ISEX first. So when I saw that, I knew when I came to know about the features, the best feature that attracted me was having a coach personally for yourself.
hmm,
That was like exactly that's what I want because taking courses, this and that, everybody is giving that, and that is fine. It's not like they are not doing good. Value सब दे रहे हैं. But आपको कोई अगर personally मिल जाता है it is like one-on-one coaching,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
At a very less amount.
yeah,
Okay, something that I could afford.
yeah.
So, and with the amount of value that I could have, so I that is how I thought कि कर सकते हैं ये करना चाहिए. So that was one feature that attracted me most, and I was like, I don't want to miss this.
Got it. And who is your business coach in this whole journey?
My business coach is Sachet. He's really good.
Sachet. Sachet.
Yes.
And what is your like feedback about Sachet, or what is your opinion about Sachet? How did he help? What was the whole journey look like? And when did you started, working together on this?
So we started at the end of January almost.
Yeah.
Um, and my first impression was, I mean, obviously he's very calm and composed, and I'm someone who speaks a lot and is very nervous always. So it's like, pause, pause. He says, pause, pause. So it made me pause and think of what I'm saying because the answers were there in me only. Right. So he told me one thing that Prakriti, you don't need a business coach, you need a life coach first.
Mm,
So he made me go over the mindset module again and again. He said that is what you first need to, get ahead with, get done with. That's then only you will be able to move forward. So I've gone through the mindset module twice,
mm,
and and that helped me a lot, frankly.
mm.
I mean, I feel like I don't even need to. Obviously, I need to go through other parts, but I feel very empowered with just that one module. And frankly, वो सिर्फ एक module से ही इतना सारा result वो एक module से ही आया.
Mm, mm,
I became fearless, right? And whenever I was stuck, I just sent him a message. I was like, even when I did not know कि ये word use करूं coaching call पे कि ये word so specific,
Yeah,
इतना specific भी नहीं, प्रकृति ये word use नहीं करना, psychology ऐसे चाहिए,
yeah.
you know, इतना specific होना भी तो एक, it is very like very intelligent and very smart of him and very dedicated of him. मैं जब भी message भेजती हूँ he responds.
Lovely, yeah.
Yeah,
Super awesome.
great
You
impression.
you told that you were going through a lot of changes when you were going through that module. What
हाँ.
were those changes and how were you feeling when you were going through those changes?
So, you know, first of all, I mean, the one thing that I got from that module was that you have to build your story to sell something,
Yeah.
right? And what you were selling in that module was the story,
Hmm.
right? So that was like कि ठीक है, story से ना आपके दिमाग में बहुत जल्दी बैठती है बात, तो वो मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गई कि it is only my head that's stopping me. My issue was कि मैं कोचिंग सेल्स कॉल पे जाने से पहले डरती।
Hmm.
इट इज नॉट लाइक कि मैं कॉल पे गई और मैंने सेल नहीं की, मैं सेल कर पा रही थी बट मैं कॉल पे ही नहीं जा रही थी, मुझे डर लग रहा था मैं दैट माय प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट गुड, प्रोबेबली आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, व्हाट विल द अदर पर्सन थिंक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। उस वजह से मैंने करीबन 2 महीने से कॉल ही नहीं ली थी। आई हैव अ फ्री फ्लो ऑफ लीड्स बिकॉज आई हैव अ गुड पर्सनल ब्रांड एस्टैब्लिश्ड,
Hmm.
तो ऐसा नहीं है लीड्स नहीं आ रही थी बट मैं कॉल ही नहीं ले रही थी, मुझे डर लग रहा था।
Yeah.
तो इन दैट मॉड्यूल दैट फियर वेंट अवे एंड आई वाज लाइक यार मैं कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है, मुझे एक एक स्टेप करके ही लेना है।
Hmm.
एंड यू नो a lot of people what they do are they are very perceptive, मतलब they absorb
Yeah.
जल्दी से,
Yeah.
so that's very good of them, but I was like कि मैं इतना सारा नहीं कर सकती, मैं एक एक स्टेप करके ही कर सकती
Hmm.
हूँ। So एक एक स्टेप करके, that's something as simple as having a morning routine, having a night routine. I started having a work life balance also because of
Hmm.
it. Otherwise I was overworking, getting no results, only feeling bad कि ये क्या हो रहा है,
Hmm.
and only get my mental health was going bad,
Hmm.
right? और रिजल्ट भी नहीं आ रहे, तो तो उल्टा पुल्टा ही हो रहा था। तो फर्स्ट हेड क्लैरिटी जो है ना वो बहुत जबरदस्त मिली मुझे, और वहीं से ही मुझे लगता है आधे से ज्यादा रिजल्ट तो उसी से ही आ गए।
Got it. Got it. What were your favorite tools and templates throughout the iSex journey?
सो अबाउट टूल्स, यू नो, एक तो आईसेक्स जर्नी में जो आपने सबसे पहले तो पूरा मॉड्यूल ही, फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल इज अमेजिंग, तो वो तो है ही। देन नॉट वेस्टिंग माय टाइम इन यूजिंग एआई
Yeah.
was another tool that I felt like it's not so difficult and I shouldn't be afraid of it, and ebook बन गई उससे 5 मिनट में। उससे मैंने और भी बड़ी सारी चीजें बना ली, मैं इनवॉइसेस भी उसी से ही बनाती हूँ, सब कुछ मैं उसी से ही कर रही हूँ, तो मेरा
Very
बहुत
good.
सारा टाइम बच गया। देन द हाई टिकट सेल्स फ्रेमवर्क you gave, I'm not using it completely because it 100% did not work for me, but then Sachet told me how to
Craft it.
mold it in my way that it comes naturally out of me,
Yeah.
right? So I was able to close a 25K ka one-on-one coaching.
Wow.
I was able to do that by just molding. Pehle I tried a lot of things, wo work nahi hua. Then he told me, okay, now try this. So I closed that. Then I am in talks with Rigi because
Hmm.
I'm really impressed by what they do. So yeah, these are the and the funnel. I'm still making the funnel, but वो कितना आसान है भाई।
Hmm.
और कितना आसान चाहिए फनल बनाना,
Yeah.
वरना फनल बनाना बहुत, आई मेड द फनल, आई नो हाउ टू मेक लाइक क्लिक फनल्स, वो आई नो हाउ टू डू इट,
Yeah.
बट वो बहुत मेहनत है,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे मेहनत नहीं है।
Yeah. It's a click game. You just click and
या
change.
करेक्ट।
Got it. Got it. So tell me, Prakriti, you had fear inside you and you were not able to, work because of the mindset problem. And from that, you are now charging high ticket. What made you charge high ticket and what was that shift that happened?
So if I begin from the beginning, my only issue was that so whenever I was facing people, if I was able to, right, either they were converting or they were saying, your amount is already too high, we cannot afford it, right? अब मैं उसको 5,000 का बेचूं, 10,000 का बेचूं या 15,000 का बेचूं, हर जगह ये ऑब्स्टेकल्स थे। This word that, sorry, we can't afford it, I was very taken aback by it because I don't want to lose the client. So launching a low ticket offer like a group coaching helped me with the confidence that, okay, I'm not going to lose this client,
Yeah.
right? अब वो वहां नहीं आएगा तो वो वहां आएगा, कोई बात
Correct.
नहीं, कोई
Correct.
दिक्कत नहीं है. So that was one thing that gave me a lot of confidence. Plus teaching so many people together. I've taught people together, but एक आपको continuous feedback मिलता रहता है ना, result दिखते रहते हैं. तो that gave me a lot of confidence कि जो मैं पढ़ा, मेरा product तो solid है bro. ये मुझे group coaching से realization हुआ. क्योंकि one-on-one coaching में again some people do it, some people feel like कि ठीक है हम कर लेंगे, some people take it for granted, but group coaching में there because you
The
have a
instant feedback.
community.
The instant feedback.
Yeah, you have a community. Everybody feels कि उनको करना है काम. They feel the peer pressure, so they give faster results. And then I got the idea that नहीं मेरा जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ बहुत बढ़िया है. So that gave me a lot of confidence.
Makes sense. So basically having two offers, one is low ticket, one is high ticket. Pitching the high ticket, but having the confidence in mind कि नहीं हुआ तो low ticket तो है ही मेरे पास.
हाँ, correct.
Good idea. Tell me one thing. When you would have started with iSex, you might not be having your product ready, right?
Yeah.
How did you make it, and what was your process on thinking how to make the product really good?
Right. So one-on-one was ready. One-on-one में कोई issue नहीं था. But group coaching, I just did not know where to start. कैसे करते हैं ग्रुप कोचिंग, इतने ज्यादा लोगों को अप्रोच कैसे करते हैं, कैसे आएंगे वो, and where to provide them a community, something as simple as a WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
I knew there exists a WhatsApp group, but एक direction नहीं है because of the behavior that I had, that I overthought and कि पक्की direction, and I wanted to only take the right steps. I did not want to take the wrong steps, right? So yeah, तो यहाँ पे the product that I designed was based on के if they want to take my high ticket offer, I am able to provide value in that also.
Yeah.
So it's not like that I'm giving away all the value here and there's nothing left for my one-on-one coaching. So Sachet helped me design it in such a way that I am able to give a lot of value in group coaching and high ticket. Yeah,
Makes sense. So your group coaching is also something that makes people really happy. And the high ticket is also something that is solving a new problem or a problem in a better way, due to which you can charge for that as well.
Yes, and in group coaching, I have had queries कि आपका one-on-one कैसे, without telling them. So it is designed in such a way कि आप खुद ही पूछ लोगे.
Makes sense. And how did your old sales process look like compared to the new sales process that you have right now?
So sales process changed in a way that I started taking sales calls in the first place, right? And I knew what to ask them, right? पहले भी मुझे पता था, but it was थोड़ा generalized था, right? अभी भी मैं वो questions पूछती हूँ, but I mix them with the high ticket framework, right? And I mix them, and I did not know how to create a gap, right? मुझे ये पता था कि यार उनको प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे पता है मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है, बट अगर उनको वो सोल्यूशन पसंद नहीं आया तो मैं उनको फील कैसे कराऊं कि उनको सोल्यूशन की जरूरत कितनी है. तो आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू गिव देम हाउ टू इन्वेंट द नीड फॉर देम. So right now I am able to tell them कि bro, you need it, and it is your loss, not mine, right? So otherwise they used to think that probably I am making sales. Now they think that I am a friend, helping them out.
Yeah, you are an expert who's helping them out in something.
Correct.
What was your happiest day after joining ICE?
After joining ICE, my happiest day was when I was able to get my batch 1 full for group coaching call with just two sets of Instagram stories.
Wow. And how
no
many
paid marketing. 15 people I got it.
Crazy. And just with organic, you were able to get 15 people.
Yeah. Just 2 बार मैंने stories डाली. That Instagram I know, right? So वो मैंने डाली and I was able to fill it. अभी I had more people, so I filled in the batch 2 also.
Crazy, yeah. That is so crazy. So money part is sorted. You now understand how to grow it up. You can now start paid ads, and you can get more people, and everything is like that. What are you working on right now? What's the next plan that you have?
I want to scale both group coaching and one-on-one. Because I am right now juggling between the agency part and the coaching part, where my agency part is taking a lot of my time.
Yeah.
Right. So I want to थोड़ा सा automate it, because that is a long-term game वो चलता है, right? But coaching part is something which is scalable on another level,
mm,
right? That I've realized. So I want to scale it to another part and then go to probably webinars and stuff.
mm, mm, makes sense. Completely makes sense. Tell me one more thing. Um, we in ICE community not only talk about the results you are getting, but we also talk about the results your students or your clients are getting. What
Correct.
are the results that you're providing them right now?
So, okay, my basic aim is to make them create content and understand Instagram in a way कि उनको जिंदगी में किसी और की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़े, ठीक है? So with just so my program is 4 weeks long. Okay,
Yeah.
so within just 1 week, my students started getting leads organically.
Hmm.
I mean, with just like what 100 followers, 200 followers, maybe उनको leads आना शुरू हो गए.
Hmm.
Then their content that they were earlier creating, it was reaching nowhere, has started finally reaching to the non-followers,
Hmm.
which is the beginning. Obviously, Instagram is a longer term game, so it takes time, but एक दो हफ्ते में ये results दिखना शुरू हो गए थे.
Great.
And all of them, like I have screenshots of their messages, all of them have told me कि इतनी clarity है ना, अब पता है क्या करना. Because Instagram is a very vague game till the time you don't know it,
Hmm.
right? So they have clarity, and that is what is needed to grow.
अब पता है क्या करना है और क्यों करना है. Like what's the reason behind me posting a reel or a story or whatever the case is.
Correct. देना क्या चाहते हैं सामने वाले.
Got it. Prakriti, there are a lot of people in the market who are helping you get clients, grow your business, and all of that. What made IC stand out for you in order to, take advantage of it?
The personal coach.
Mm.
Again, like I said, courses बहुत लोग दे रहे हैं, ठीक है? एक तो mindset,
Hmm.
because I have been struggling with mindset very much. ठीक है? कैलिबर की कमी नहीं है, समझ में सब आता है, टूल्स सारे यूज करने आते हैं दुनिया भर के, ठीक है? दिमाग आपको जो रोक सकता है ना, वो कुछ नहीं रोक सकता उससे. जितने मर्जी टूल्स सामने रख दो, जितना आपको दिमाग रोक देगा, वो टूल्स कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइट? सो वन वाज दैट माइंडसेट मॉड्यूल दैट कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, मेरे रिजल्ट्स उस माइंडसेट मॉड्यूल के बदौलत है, ठीक है? एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट वाज कि मैं जहाँ आई एम समवन हु आस्क्स अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, राइट? तो मैं जहां अटकती हूँ वहां पूछती हूँ, जहां अटकती हूँ वहां पूछती हूँ. नहीं भी अटक रही तो भी और चार चार, अच्छा उसने ये बोला तो, उसने सामने वाले ने ये बोला तो, ये बोला तो, ये बोला तो, सब रेडी है मेरे पास. सो आई हैव नो सेकेंड थॉट कि मैं क्यों ना जाऊं एक सेल्स कॉल पे. अदरवाइज मेरे पास बहुत सारे सेकंड थॉट्स थे, यार उसने ये बोल दिया तो मेरे पास आंसर नहीं, राइट? ये बोल दिया तो आंसर नहीं. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मुझे मेरा कोच आंसर बता रहा है कि ये कर लो. नो, he talks to me, he makes me understand कि ब्रो तू बताएगी मुझे तेरा आंसर क्या.
And he asks
Right.
questions in certain way that you reach to the answer, not he.
Exactly. He asks me ऐसे कि अच्छा फिर what is the solution you think you have? So okay, this. Then how do you think you can talk? So I only give the answer, and he's not giving me the answer. He's just taking me in the direction. So the right direction, and having a personal coach is like a great deal.
Because
And that coach is following up with me every week. क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? तो मुझे उसको दिखाने के लिए भी परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है.
and then you once get in a momentum, it's like the accountability has paid off because now you're in momentum and you don't need anyone else. Also,
Exactly.
the second part is we don't want to make you mentor thirsty. A lot of programs are made in a way where they want to make you depend on them. But
Right.
in our philosophy, we believe that the student should have their individuality on their own thought process. And that's why we never give answers. We ask questions in certain way that you reach to the answer.
Exactly. So ultimately I got to know कि आंसर तो मेरे पास था ही, बट मैं सोच गलत रही थी.
Tell me one thing. There are a lot of people in your batch who might not have got result as fast as you. And they are planning कि यार मेरा कब होगा, प्राकृति का जल्दी हो गया, all of that. What is your advice to those people so that they, move faster and get a result faster?
मैं भी यही सोच रही थी किसी और को देख के. सिंपल है, सब सोचते हैं, इसमें क्या है? सोच सकते हो, सोच लो, पर करते रहो, बस ये. मतलब मैं बड़ी आराम प्रस्त इंसान हूँ, तो उस वे में मैं काम भी करती हूँ और मैं सोती भी खूब हूँ. तो उस सेंस में देखा जाए तो मैं सिर्फ एक टाइम पे एक ही काम करती हूँ, राइट? ये तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि यार उसने तो कर लिया, तो मैंने 10 काम नहीं किए. करने वाले करते हैं और उनको एक दिन में रिजल्ट भी आता है. तो आप just keep moving,
Hmm.
don't stop, just keep moving. आज एक काम नहीं हुआ तो आधा कर लो, आधा नहीं हुआ तो उससे आधा कर लो, बस कर लो
Hmm.
तो हो जाता है.
So you mean to say just have momentum? It's not necessary how much momentum you have, but just have
है
momentum because that
तुम्हारा
will
पेस.
bring you ahead.
एग्जैक्टली तुम्हारा पेस, अपने पेस पे जाओ पर चलते रहो.
Hmm. Hmm. Makes sense. What is your advice to people who are watching this video? Majority of them are not part of I6 and they're planning ki kare nahi kare. Maybe they're sitting like in a 3-day like you and they're thinking ki, should I join this or not? What is your advice to those people who are watching
कर
this video?
लो यार, कर लो. पछताओगे नहीं, कर
Hmm.
लो. इट्स अ गुड डील. मतलब जब द होल पॉइंट इज दैट व्हेन समवन स्टैंड्स ऑन योर हेड एंड यू हैव टू गिव देम रिजल्ट्स, देन यू गिव देम रिजल्ट्स,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Otherwise what happens in different other coaching is that you have the course, you take it or not, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर हो जाता है, राइट? तुमने आज किया, चलो नहीं किया कोई बात नहीं, पर जब तुमसे कोच आके पूछेगा अच्छा जी क्या किया, क्या हुआ, क्या रिजल्ट है तुम्हारे इस हफ्ते में, तो तुम्हें अकाउंटेबल फील हो
Hmm.
कि शिट यार करना है, राइट?
Hmm.
एंड सो दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड देन डेफिनेटली उस कोर्स में जो वैल्यू है,
Hmm.
कोर्स छोड़ो, वो जो आपने 3 डे का वर्कशॉप का लिंक दे रखा है ना, उसमें जो वैल्यू है, मेरे तो उधर ही माइंड ब्लो हो गया. मैं कि ये क्या हो गया. सबसे सिंपल चीज यार, एआई तुम्हारे लिए काम कर सकता है. बड़ी बड़ी छोटी सी बात है. एआई एक हर नई चीज को एक्सेप्ट करने में बड़ा टाइम लगता है, राइट? एआई ऐसा तो नहीं था कि यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, सब सब कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कर रही थी, बट इस लेवल पे उसको यूज कर सकते हैं ये पता नहीं होता.
Hmm.
तो द होल कोर्स, व्हेन यू टॉक नो, when I see the course, it is like you speaking to me and you ऐसे कोई बहुत डिफिकल्ट चीज नहीं बता रही. ये लो एक क्लिक किया, ये लो तुम्हारा एक काम, ये लो एक क्लिक किया, एक काम. अब ऐसे लग रहा है भाई यार एक तो क्लिक मैं कर ही सकती हूँ.
Hmm.
राइट? तो तुम भी कर सकते हो तो कर लो भाई,
Hmm.
एक एक क्लिक में ही तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा.
Hmm. Hmm. So there's no excuse left because of AI because now it has been so easy that you can't make excuse.
एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट, यू फील लाइक दैट यू डोंट नो द प्रॉम्प्ट्स, यू सब मिल जाएगा इधर.
Hmm.
एंड तुम खुद ही बना भी पाओगे, तुम इतना सीख जाओगे, आफ्टर अ पॉइंट यू विल लाइक हिमांशु मैं खुद कर लूंगा.
Yeah, that's what we want at the end, right? Because
Exactly.
you having the ability to build your own thing is much farther than you copy pasting something. But you start with copy paste so that you learn it.
Exactly. And the fact, the mindset is different. Your mindset is different. I'll tell you, when I came to the Mega Mind वो 2.0 वाला जो भी गए थे हम, i6 वाला, इंदौर वाला, वहां पे you said one thing कि हमको बिजनेस नहीं बनाना, हमको एम्पायर बनाना, राइट? हमको एंड में बॉटल नेक कर देना है सब कुछ कि कोई आगे जा ही नहीं. अब ये मेरे माइंड में है, ठीक है, मैं आज नहीं कर रही, कल नहीं कर रही, परसों करूंगी,
Hmm.
राइट?
Hmm.
माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया ना. अब मैं बिजनेस बनाने पे फोकस नहीं, अब मैं फोकस करती हूँ मुझे एम्पायर बनाना. मैं
Hmm.
सोच के रखती हूँ यार ये ऐसी ऐप बन सकती है आगे चल के. अच्छा अब मेरी ऑडियंस को और किस किस चीज की जरूरत पड़ रही है वो मैं ध्यान रखती हूँ. पहले मैं सिर्फ कोचिंग दे रही
Hmm.
थी या बिजनेस एजेंसी दे रही थी, एजेंसी का जो भी सर्विसेज दे रही थी, राइट? अब मैं ये सोच के रख रही हूँ कि इसमें जो later.com या कुछ और किसी और को यूज करना पड़ रहा है, क्या वो मैं बना सकती हूँ?
Hmm.
क्या वो फ्यूचर में मैं याद रख सकती हूँ?
Yeah,
तो आपका स्विच हो गया ना दिमाग,
correct.
बिजनेस बनाने से स्विच हो गया वो एम्पायर बनाने
You
में.
went
तो
from a coach to a business owner to an emperor, which is like 3 different levels. And the person who is at this level is not thinking about this at all. And the person who is at this level is not thinking about this at all. So when you transition to this, you're not focusing on the lowest hanging fruit. Neither you're focusing on the tree, but you are focusing on the whole forest, which is a
करेक्ट,
different perception altogether.
करेक्ट.
Right?
एंड सब
Awesome.
शुरू तो सोचने से ही होता है.
Yeah, two ways something is made. First in the mind, then in the reality.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Um, anyways, super awesome. This was a lot of golden nuggets. How these people can find you?
So I am there on Instagram. You guys can find me on Instagram by the name of Prakriti Madan. You'll have a blue tick. Please blue tick dekh lena. There are a lot of fake profiles going on. So yeah, you can find me there. You can DM me. And yeah.
Awesome. So everyone who wants to follow Prakriti, you can go on Instagram, just type Prakriti Madan with a blue tick, and you can follow her from there. And you can definitely DM her for any questions or her services that you want to opt for. This was Prakriti Madan on ISEX, being a case study winner now, being a Kingdom Club winner now, and we want to soon see her into Empire Club winner, where she has crossed crores. She is helping more people and creating an impact that she wants to do. Thank you so much, Prakriti, for coming over here. It was wonderful having conversation with you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
अगर ये इस टाइप की वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब मत करो, click on my channel, see all the videos. If you feel like there are videos which can actually help you, then so click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the notifications.